Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 days, and I am quite pleased with what my cocoa beans are doing right now, or my cacao beans, or chocolate seeds, however you want to call them. But what I did was I took them and I put them inside of a moist paper towel, and I wrapped them up in plastic, and I just left them for a few days so that they could root. The ones that I pulled out of the fruit that already had roots, I already put them in the dirt. These didn't have any roots started, so I figure, just in case I had crop failure with the other ones, that I would have these as a backup. And they are doing stupendous in a few days. I mean, it wasn't long at all. So if you haven't already watched my previous video, in order to get your cocoa to start growing, you just take it out of the pod. The seeds will have a little coat on them. After you eat that little coat, you could scratch some of it off. Soak it in water for about a day. People say 2 hours. I say about a day. It doesn't hurt nothing. Make sure you scrape all of that extra fruit off of it so that it's got more of a clean look to it. And then just wait. You'll get there. All right. Like, subscribe, and comment. Any tips? Let me know, because this is my first time doing this and I'm sharing with you guys. So it could either go good or I could fall on my face, but we'll see what happens.